To disable or enable 5G on your phone, it is a really simple process. All you need to do is go to your settings. I prefer doing the drop-down method because that's where my settings live for me. From here, you need to go to the cellular option, so I'll tap that. Here there are a bunch of different things to choose. I have a primary and a secondary number. What you're going to want to do is go to whichever number you are using at the moment, which is my primary. From there, I am going to look at these settings, but then we're going to go to voice and data. That's where the big one lives. Right now it says 5G auto, so it will use 5G when needed for performance and optimizing battery life. However, as we know, and as you might know and have realized, sometimes 5G does not work as well as 4G or LTE. So here's the options. If you want to do 5G auto and it can alternate, keep that on. If you just want 5G only, which I don't recommend, you can do that. If you just want LTE, tap LTE, and your LTE option will be there always, as long as there is LTE. Otherwise, you'll connect to, I don't know, is 3G still a thing? I think in some places, but that is how you do it. I'm going to choose 5G auto because where I am currently at, 5G auto and alternating between the two works best. LTE only doesn't work great. However, my siblings, I have taught them how to do this. They prefer LTE only for some of their locations. So that is how you turn off 5G onto your iPhone. And like I said, we're going to continue with 5G auto and I will be well on my way. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert.